Hi you guys, Mrs. Ratcliffe here, and I'm talking to you today about volume. Volume is very similar to area. It's a measurement of space. But when we look at volumes, we're looking at the area that's contained inside a three-dimensional object instead of just a 2D object. When you're just looking at something that's rectangular, like a cube or a rectangular prism, you're just looking at a very simple formula. You're looking at volume equals length times width times height. That's just for rectangles and cubes. So for example, we've got a cube right here. This cube is 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters. So it's just very, very simple. All you're going to do is plug 4 into each of those numbers. So the volume is going to equal length times width times height. So 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. So the volume of that cube is 64 cubic centimeters. Okay. Now, what happens if you're not talking about something like a rectangular prism or a cube, something that's a little bit more irregular? You can just use a simpler formula, which is just you find the area of its face and then multiply that by the height. So for non-rectangular prisms, you're looking for the area of the shape and then multiplying that by its height. So I'll show you what I mean. Triangular prism. So if you look here, you can see this triangle that we measured last time. You're going to find the area of the triangle, and to do that, remember, area of a triangle is base times half the height. And once you find the area, then you're going to multiply that by the height of the prism. So the area of this triangle is going to be 10, which is this base, times half of 6, which is this height. So that's 30. And then the volume is going to be the area times 5. So 30 times 5 is going to be 150 cubic centimeters. So there you go. It's just adding another dimension to what you already know about area to find the volume. So good luck, and I hope you find this video helpful.